Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a microwave mug cake in just 1 minute. This is a chocolate one, but you can make it in any flavor that you like. So to begin, add your dry ingredients in a mug, using a 12-ounce mug. So to the mug, add 4 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. If you don't have cocoa powder, you can use chocolate chips. Then add a little bit of baking powder. I'm just going to do a little pinch like this. Next, add your wet ingredients. And the wet ingredients are 3 tablespoons of milk. You can use any milk that you want. I'm using whole milk, 2 tablespoons of oil. And then if you want, you can add some vanilla extract. I don't really like vanilla extract, so I'm not adding any. And now this is all mixed in. All we have to do is microwave this for 1 to 2 minutes. I'm going to microwave for 1 minute and then check it, see if it's done. If it's not done, I'm going to microwave for another 30 seconds. So this is how you know it's done. You just want to take a toothpick and then just stick it in the cake. If it comes out clean, then you're good. And then, while it's still hot, you can add your toppings. So I'm gone, nah. Add some whipped cream, and then I'm gone, nah. Add some chocolate chips on top. And then you can add whatever else you'd like. I'm just going to eat it with just the whipped cream and chocolate chips. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're new here, please subscribe for more videos updates.